1, 2, start.
I am Anvi Golwarkar from Shri Ram Vidya Mandir. It's my pleasure to come here and get this opportunity to visit the assembly practically. I thank my teachers and my management and Mrs. Madhvi Halankar and Mr. Nilkant Halankar for giving us this opportunity to visit this place. Thank you.
Tell me about your name.
My name is Shantanu Mori. I am from Shri Ram Vidya Mandir, and I have a pleasure to see this. Daily we see this in our television, but today I am glad to see this in live. So I thank you, Madam Mrs. Madhvi Halankar and Sir Nilkant Halankar. Thank you.
Yeah, tell me.
Myself Shipra Halankar. I am from school Shri Ram Vidya Mandir. I am very glad that I got the opportunity to visit the assembly. Today I got to know lots of information about how the law making process goes in the legislative assembly. I also thank my teachers and my manager madam Mrs. Madhvi Halankar and Sir Nilkant for giving us the opportunity to visit over here. Thank you.
तांचे मनभुसून अभिनंदन करता तांकां घेवन येवपी हेडमास्टर्स आनी टिचर्स आनी तांचे सगळे हेल्पर हांचें हांव अभिनंदन करता. कारण अशी स्टुडंट जेन्ना एसेंब्ली येता आनी एसेंब्लींत वेगळे वेगळे विशय डिस्कशन जाता, तें डिस्कशन पडून हातूंतलोच एक मुखार बरो आमदार, बरो सरपंच, बरो राजकारणी जावंक शकता आनी तातूंतल्यान बोध घेवन भुरगीं बरी शिकूय शकता. तें म्हजें मेन असो तांचें मनापासून अभिनंदन करता आनी तांकां शुभेच्छा दिता.